Today, we're diving into a powerful technique in Google Sheets, transposing data. Imagine flipping your rows into columns and columns into rows. It's like rearranging your data matrix. In this tutorial, we'll learn how to transpose data seamlessly. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your Google Sheets document. If you're working with an existing sheet, great. If not, create a new one by clicking the colorful icon labeled blank or choose from a template. Step 2. Select the range of cells you want to transpose. Click on the first cell, hold down the Shift key, and then click on the last cell in your desired range. Step 3. Go to the Edit menu at the top. Choose Copy from the drop-down. Step 4. Next, click on the cell where you want the transposed data to appear. This could be in the same sheet or a different sheet. Step 5. Go to the Edit menu again. This time, choose Paste Special and then select Transpose. Step 6. Voila! Your data will now be transposed. Rows become columns, and columns become rows. Step 7. Remember that transposing data can be especially useful when you want to switch the orientation of your data for better analysis or presentation. Congratulations! You've just unlocked the magic of data transposition in Google Sheets. Keep exploring and transforming your spreadsheets.